Bees are a pretty cool species. They are the only insect that makes food for humans, honey. Bees are essential pollinators too. Their pollination greatly allows plants to breed easily. Without bees, plant breeding would be difficult as pollen is transported from plant to plant on the bees. Plants produce nectar with which the bees collect to produce honey in the hives. Recently, some bees have become endangered. 7 bee species were added to the endangered species list not too long ago. Although all 7 were native to Hawaii and nowhere else in the world, they were still essential pollinators on the island. Many factors could have contributed to the loss of bees. The main cause is likely colony collapse disorder, or CCD. CCD is when all the worker bees leave the colony, leaving behind plenty of food, the queen, and some nurse bees to take care of the larvae. Previously having multiple other names, colony collapse disorder was eventually decided on in conjunction with the disappearances of western honeybees. European beekeepers too saw the same phenomenon as the Americas, although to a lesser degree. In the 6 years leading up to 2013, more than 10 million beehives were lost, often because of CCD, which is twice the normal rate. Suggested causes of CCD include mites, malnutrition, disease, loss of habitat, or changes in beekeeping practices. But much of the speculation has surrounded pesticides called neonicotinoids.
Neonicotinoids are a pesticide which affects the bee's neurology. They impact the bee's ability to forage, learn, and remember navigation routes to and from food sources. These bees become infected by the pesticides and then cannot find their way back to the hive. Neonicotinoids are responsible for most of the bee loss in the past decade. Bees are in danger. They pollinate nearly 80% of our crops, and without them, most of those crops will die or won't be able to be farmed again. Bees aren't too far gone yet. We can still save them. Limiting the use of pesticides or developing bee-safe ones is a step in the right direction. Developing bee medicine for the mites would also prevent the loss of bees. Bees are some of the most important creatures in the world, and it is our responsibility to keep them alive.